This building is located in the Lalinde neighborhood of El Poblado in Medellin, Colombia. And it is a building that was built in 2018. It is walking distance from Parque del Poblado, Parquelleras, Provenza, and the Manila neighborhood. It's got a security guard there at the gate. It's got 2 parking spots down below and a storage unit. This first floor has this lounge area here, and adjacent to it is the social room for parties and events. And this is a double door that goes into the back. And it's a big open space if you've got kids, if you've got pets. It's a really nice area. I love the architecture. Since it was built in 2018, you can tell that they did a great job of integrating nature with this modern design. So we're walking towards the back here. When we're talking amenities, it's got this half Olympic sized pool, 25 meters. It's got the kids pool next to it. Upstairs on the roof, you have a gym, a sauna, a Turkish bath, and a Roman bath. And this is the building. If you've been to Medellin, you've seen it. It's very iconic. 58 apartments in it, only 1 tower. Most of the people that live in here are Colombian. On the 19th floor, we're walking into our apartment here. Big door. The first thing that I notice is that it's completely remodeled. It doesn't look like the default apartment that comes in this building. I've seen them and they are nice, but they don't hold a candle to this one. Everything is custom here. The bar is custom here. The furniture was imported from Europe. The floors are beautifully done. It's got a ceiling fan here, and I went right to the best part of this apartment, which is the view. Look at this view. The balcony is big enough to have a barbecue up here, have friends over, have coffee in the morning, and overlook this amazing view into the southwest of Medellin. And look at that. This just, it was almost sunset basically, and it was just an amazing view. I love it. If you come to Medellin, that's what you should be experiencing, right? Okay, so we're gonna go into the apartment again. This is the living area with 2 leather chairs there and a sofa, a nice coffee table. Most of the art is locally sourced by Colombian artists. This is the dining table here. It seats 4, but you could easily seat 6 there, I think. This is the kitchen area with a big countertop there with the stove top. You've got 3 bar stools at the American bar there. It's got an oven. It has the big refrigerator. This is the laundry area. You could easily stack a washer dryer. And this is the first full bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath. This is one of the full baths. It's the smallest of the full baths. It's being used as storage, but if you take that away, there's a shower there. As I pan over, you could see the water heater, which is a tank. It's not the on-demand system. Those usually have issues with water heating and pressure, but that one doesn't. And this is the view from the kitchen. You could easily host, have friends over, have a chef cooking for you guys, hanging out, drinking coffee, having some wine, overlooking that beautiful view, which looks almost like a painting. And we're gonna head past the bar here and over to the bedrooms. I like how they separated the bedrooms from the living area, so you know the noise levels are never an issue. This is 153 square meters, which is just over 1,600 square feet, but the layout is really nice. This is the first bedroom, which is the smallest of the 3. It has a double bed here, and it has a view as well into the east of the mountain here of El Poblado. Very nice. You can't get away from the greenery in Medellin. It's just everywhere. It's so lush. Okay, that's the bed, little night table, and the closet area there. We're going to go into the ensuite bathroom. The first thing I notice in this bathroom is the size of the shower. I'm 6'3", so I always want to make sure that I can fit in these showers, and I can easily fit now. There's the sink and the toilet. Very nicely done. We're going to go into the next bedroom, which is slightly bigger. And here it is. Different color wall, which is nice, makes it look unique. It's a double bed as well, but I think you could easily fit a queen size bed in here. You could probably make the other one into an office if you don't need that bed, but this is the same view as the other one, basically into the northeast of El Poblado there. That's the double bed with a little night table and the closet area. We're gonna walk to the ensuite bathroom. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Again, the first thing I noticed, the big shower, bigger than the other one. It's got a window in there as well. Very nicely done, very tasteful. And I could definitely see myself living in this. Okay, we're gonna walk across the hall here into the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a queen size bed in it, but I could think you could probably fit a king size bed in here, maybe even a couple chairs overlooking this beautiful view that is the same view as the balcony. Those windows open up really wide, which is nice as well. You get a nice cool breeze coming in there. And yeah, this nothing beats the view, man. It's so amazing. That is not a painting on the wall, by the way. That is a TV. And all of this comes with the purchase price. We're going to go into the master bath, which is the second best part of this apartment, I think. The view is number one. This is the shower here. Giant shower. Also has a window in it. It has the double sink. This is all custom made. It's redesigned. Looks beautiful. Usually there's one sink in these. This is the double sink there. It's got the accent lighting. And this is the walk-in closet. I mean, it's so big, I don't think I could fill it up. It's got a lot of storage for shoes at the bottom. I don't know, could you fill this up? I'm sure some of you guys could fill this up. All right, so this is the master bedroom. Very beautifully done. I love the wall back there, the contemporary style wall. Very nice. All right, so let's talk numbers. This one is listed at 1.9 billion Colombian pesos, which is about 468,000 US dollars. It is priced to sell. Why do I know? Because I know that the one downstairs just sold for the same price, and it doesn't hold a candle to the way that this one looks. It's amazingly designed, and it comes with everything that you see. It's priced to sell because the owner wants to sell it quickly. If you want to make an offer, make sure to click the link in the description to our form, or if you want us to find something similar, somebody on our team will get back to you.